Hello Norway. Hello Stavanger. This is so cool. Możesz iść. Powiedz si ho. Euro. 1351. Good boy. Yeah. So in the middle. Off. This is so cool with this light. Beautiful street art as a reward. So now you know how much time. I'm by Stavanger, Oslo, Norway. Beautifully warm Saturday morning, a little bit cloudy, but 20 degrees, maybe 21. Beautifully warm. And the ocean is so quiet. You cannot see any waves. I'm meeting lovely people from my country, from Slovakia. And he brought a present. But El Niño, oj. Maybe later. Możesz iść. Powiedz si ho. Euro. Euro. Toto je euro. This is euro. Euro leňochod. No krásne. Hello Norway. Hello Stavanger. This is so cool.
And Oslo.
And Oslo. Enjoy Puerto, okay? Lovely to meet you. Partly cloudy Saturday, but beautifully warm, like 22, 23 degrees. I'm gonna make a special hiking, and I'm curious how many minutes do I need to go up to La Paz and back through Barranco Martianez. So civilization and then back through the nature. It's not for everyone. Don't do that if you are not trained hiker. Could be dangerous. Okay, so now we have 1351. Let's go slowly. So this is our way up, back, but our way back gonna be down there. Okay, now you understand. ¿Qué tal? Famous camino. It's a holiday. Some restaurants are closed. But Barranco is never closed. So we can use Barranco. Let's see some decoration. Very cool. This is Barranco Martianez, but we need to get down. There's only one way. We have to go a little bit more up. We will see. We have this beauty these days here. So nice. Can you imagine? Yeah, a few minutes. We are going to be there in the wild. New paddle tennis courts in Hotel Werden. Lovely. And this is the way how to get down to Barranco. So there we are. Let's go down to the wild. Into the wild with El Niño as a free boy. This is the time. Let's see first if we have some ball for El Niño. Oh yeah, there's one. Come, come, come. Okay. Good boy, good boy. Yeah. Up. We were up there. Now we are down. So in the middle of Puerto de la Cruz, you can find something like this. The nature. So cool. Hello everyone, thank you for watching my video. We spread beauty and positive energy, vibrations from this beautiful place from Puerto de la Cruz, from Tenerife. If you decide to support us, thank you very much. There are links in every description of the video for club and PayPal. Thank you very much. As a club members, you can see uncut videos in full quality with the drone flying as the birds, you know, you can feel like the birds. Thank you, all the best, and viva la música!